everyone needs more cup holders, so my friend Elliot just sent me this lower console cup holder for the Rivian R1T and R1S. Let's check it out. I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so it arrived in good condition. This is the outside box, and inside everything's bubble wrapped. You have some parts in there. There's some clips that hold the cups in, and they actually give you extra ones, and then removable liners. So you have to insert these clips to hold smaller cups like coffee cups, but bigger jugs like a hydro flask, you probably won't need them. Use a trim tool to pop them in. You have to push them in pretty hard. Here you see I got a standard coffee cup and then the Rivian flask inserted. You can see it in the Rivian. It's got the yellow trim to match the quad motor. There's still plenty of room to use the standard cup holder while you're using this. When you want to remove the camp speaker, you just have to push it up a little bit on the tray, and then you can get the speaker in and out. There you go. Remember, like and subscribe for more videos on Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.